I am so excited. We're going to start a new project, and I want you to come along with me. I'm very excited. The electric company's been down the road, and obviously I've got a couple loads of wood chips. Hopefully I'll get a few more, but this will be enough to start. Let's go ahead and expand the garden. I'm going to show you just exactly how to build a deep mulch garden from start to finish. I hope you join me for that. So come on, let's take a look at a couple things. Now we got rained out yesterday, and this pile got good and wet, and just look at that steam coming off of it. That's breaking down already. That'll be a perfect starter for our mulch. And this old corral fence, it was kind of leaning when the horses left, and it's just plumb falling down. We've got all this wasted space, and what started out as a burn pile when this garden was little, now makes it hard to get into this gate. Now when you got a tiny little sweet potato patch like this, the only one thing to do, and that's to expand. Yeah, I'm joking. But the concepts are going to be the same. And I'm going to show you just exactly how you can start a deep mulch garden with just a few simple ingredients. And this is a perfect time to do this. We've had enough rain that the neighbors were able to get enough hay that I think we're going to be able to mix hay, the chips I just got, and all the leaves that are going to come down this fall. We'll make a nice little mulch. I'm going to show you how. And what I intend to do is square this off. We'll go ahead and have a runway on that side and runway on this side. These trees, they're the neighbors' trees, and they keep falling. I don't want them right into the garden. We'll keep them cleaned up as much as we can, of course. Then all we got to do is move the hot wire and lay in some mulch. And then what do? That's right. Come on, let's plant. We'll go ahead and set up some cold frames up in this area. We're going to have a decent little winter. I hope you join me for that. You can do this too, and you can be successful. And if you follow along with me, you can be planting this spring. You'll have a harvest that you won't believe. And as we get started, if you want to learn a little more about the deep mulch, click that link right there and I'll meet you right back in the garden. And if you want to learn about the living soil, click that link and I'll meet you right back in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.